You learn about supply and demand in Economics 101. If you're in business and you're fortunate enough, your demand goes up and it's tough to keep it supplied, so your price goes up. So price does affect supply and demand. Today, we're going to look at a problem that's talking about just that. My name is Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And we're looking at Test 3, Section 4, numbers 17 to 18. And you've got the formulas up top, and it reads, the quantity of the product supplied and the quantity of the product demanded in an economic market are functions of the price of the product. The functions above are estimated supply and demand functions for a certain product. The function S of P gives the quantity of the product supplied to the market when the price is P dollars, and the function D of P gives the quantity of the product demanded by the market when the price is P dollars. How the quantity of the product supplied in the market change if the price of the product is increased by $10. So essentially what this is asking is how a change is going to affect an outcome. Anytime you have a question in math when a change is affecting an outcome, what you want to do is you want to pick a number, simple number to work with, work through the equation, and then you want to pick another number, work through the problem again. So let's see, it's talking about the quantity of the product supplied. So we're going to look at the top equation. And if the price is increased by $10, so I want to pick a value for P, and then I'm going to find an answer. Then I'm going to increase that value of P by $10, find another answer, and then compare my results. If you notice, P is attached to 1/2. I like to work with whole numbers, so I'm going to pick an even number. So the simplest even number to pick, 2. So if you pick P equals 2, then what you get is that your supply is equal to 1/2 of 2, which is 1, plus 40, which is 41. So the problem tells you that the price of the product is increased by $10. If I increase my product's price by $10, now my P is 12. When I plug it in, 1/2 of 12 is 6. 6 plus 40 is 46. So now my new supply is 46. And the question is, how will the quantity of the product supplied to the market change? And you see the supply increased from 41 to 46. What is that? The quantity supplied will increase by 5 units. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with this type of a question when an outcome is being affected by some change in the equation. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.